Welcome to Level Up English, your bridge to real English. I'm Nora.
And I'm Leo. Let's go.
Okay, Leo, confession time. What's a bad habit you have? And be honest.
I check my phone first thing when I wake up, before I even get out of bed. I know it's bad, but I can't help it.
I can't help it. Great phrase. That means you can't stop yourself from doing it, even though you know you shouldn't. I eat chocolate every night. I can't help it. I can't help checking my phone.
Your turn. Bad habit, go.
I stay up way too late watching shows. Like, I know I should sleep, but then one more episode becomes 3 more episodes, and suddenly it's 2 a.m.
Classic. And that is today's topic. Habits. The good ones, the bad ones, and how to talk about all of them in English. Plus, how to talk about changing them.
In our self-discipline episode, we covered the tools, how to stay on track, how to be consistent. Today is different. Today is about the habits themselves, how to describe what you do, what you're trying to start, and what you're trying to quit.
Let's start with the basics. How do you describe a habit you already have?
Easy. I tend to. Tend to means you usually do something. It's your pattern. I tend to skip breakfast. I tend to stay up late. I tend to drink too much coffee.
I tend to supernatural. It's softer than I always. It means this is what I usually do. I tend to work out in the morning. I tend to eat the same thing for lunch. Say it. I tend to, and add something you do.
And for something that's become automatic, I do it out of habit. Out of habit means you don't even think about it. It's automatic. I lock the door twice, just out of habit. I check my email every 5 minutes, out of habit.
Out of habit. Your body just does it. No thinking involved. Like how I always stretch before sitting down. I don't decide to do it. It just happens.
And when a habit is so automatic that it feels effortless, it's second nature. Second nature means it's as natural as breathing. Cooking is second nature to her. Speaking English will become second nature if you practice enough.
Second nature. That's the goal, right? You want English to be second nature, where you don't translate, you just speak. And it can happen. Think about something you do that's second nature. Tying your shoes, riding a bike, typing on your phone. You don't think about it. It just flows. English can get there too.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about bad habits, because we all have them, and honestly, bad habits are more fun to talk about.
Ha, true. The question is, how do you describe a bad habit in English?
I'm hooked on. That means you're kind of addicted, but in a casual way. I'm hooked on social media. I'm hooked on energy drinks. I got hooked on this show, and now I can't stop watching.
Hooked on, like a fish on a hook. You're caught. I'm hooked on my phone. Very common, very real.
And then there's guilty pleasure. A guilty pleasure is something you enjoy, but you feel a little bad about. Reality TV is my guilty pleasure. Eating ice cream at midnight is my guilty pleasure.
Guilty pleasure. Everyone has one. Mine is watching cooking competition shows. I'm a personal trainer who watches people make cakes for 3 hours. Don't tell my clients.
Your secret is safe. Now, here's the big one. What if you want to stop a bad habit?
Kick the habit. Kick the habit means to successfully stop doing something bad. She kicked the habit of biting her nails. I'm trying to kick my junk food habit. Kick gives it energy, like you're literally kicking the habit away.
Or break the habit. Same idea. I need to break the habit of checking my phone in bed. Old habits are hard to break. Both kick and break work. Kick sounds more energetic. Break sounds more effort-based.
And here's a useful phrase for the process. I'm trying to cut out. Cut out means to completely eliminate something. I'm trying to cut out sugar. I cut out fast food last month. Remember cut back on from our morning routine episode? Cut back means reduce. Cut out means eliminate completely. Bigger step.
Good distinction. I'm cutting back on coffee, drinking less. I'm cutting out soda, no more soda at all. 2 different levels.
And here's the thing. You know all of this in your language.
I tend to, out of habit, guilty pleasure, kick the habit. You understand every single one right now. But could you actually use them? If a friend asks, any bad habits? Could you say, yeah, I tend to snack late at night. It's a guilty pleasure, honestly. I've been trying to cut it out.
Putting phrases together like that, naturally in a real conversation, takes more than understanding. It takes speaking practice. And that's what From Stuck to Fluent gives you. 30 days of real conversations where you practice putting phrases together, not just learning them one by one.
QR codes on screen, links in the pinned comment. The 500 Everyday Phrases bonus is still available. Grab it while it lasts.
Okay, now the fun part. Good habits. How do you talk about starting a new one?
I've gotten into the habit of. This means you recently started doing something regularly and now it feels normal. I've gotten into the habit of walking after dinner. I've gotten into the habit of reading before bed.
Gotten into the habit of. It means the habit is new, but it's sticking. You weren't doing it before, and now you are. I've gotten into the habit of drinking more water. That's a good one.
Or I picked up a new habit. Pick up here means you started doing something almost accidentally, like you didn't plan it, it just happened. I picked up running during lockdown. She picked up journaling from a friend. I picked up the habit of stretching every morning.
Picked up a habit? It sounds casual, like it just happened naturally. I picked up yoga last year and now I love it. And the opposite, I picked up a bad habit. I picked up the habit of snacking while working. We pick up habits from our friends, our environment, our routines, often without realizing it.
So true. I picked up the habit of drinking smoothies from a client. Now I can't stop. Not the worst habit, though.
Now, what about swapping a bad habit for a good one? Swap means to exchange one thing for another. You take out the bad and put in something better in its place.
Swap, I love this one. I swapped my afternoon soda for green tea. I swapped scrolling before bed for reading. Same time slot, better habit. The trick is, you're not creating an empty space. You're filling it with something new.
Swap is so practical. Instead of just removing a bad habit, which leaves a gap that your brain wants to fill, you replace it. I swapped junk food snacks for fruit. I swapped driving to work for biking. Your brain still gets the habit loop, but with a better option.
And you can use swap for small things too. I swapped white bread for whole wheat. I swapped my second coffee for water. Little swaps add up to big changes. Okay, let's do a habit swap challenge right now. I'll say a bad habit and you give the swap. Listeners, try before Nora.
Let's go.
Checking your phone first thing in the morning.
Swap it for 5 minutes of stretching.
Eating fast food 3 times a week.
Swap it for meal prepping on Sundays.
Staying up until 2 a.m. watching shows.
Swap it for a screens off by 11 rule, which I should probably follow myself.
And one more. Skipping breakfast.
Swap it for something quick, a banana and yogurt. Takes 2 minutes.
See? Every bad habit has a swap. Now, a couple more phrases you need.
Make it a habit. This means to turn something into a regular thing. Make it a habit to drink water when you wake up. I'm trying to make reading a habit.
Make it a habit. You're choosing to do something often enough that it becomes automatic. Make it a habit to review English before bed. Even 5 minutes. That's all it takes.
And the last one, I'm getting used to it. Getting used to means something new is slowly becoming normal. I started waking up earlier. I'm getting used to it. The gym was hard at first, but I'm getting used to it.
Getting used to it. That awkward period where the new habit doesn't feel natural yet. Everyone goes through it. I'm still getting used to drinking my coffee without sugar. I'm still getting used to waking up early. Give it time. It gets easier.
And you can use it for anything new in your life. I just moved to a new city. I'm getting used to it. I started a new job. Still getting used to it. It's one of those phrases that works everywhere.
It always does. And honestly, listening to a whole podcast in English, if this is new for you, you're getting used to it right now. And that's a great habit. Okay, quick review. I say the phrase, Leo gives the meaning. Fire away.
I tend to stay up late.
You usually stay up late. It's your pattern.
I do it out of habit.
You do it automatically, without thinking.
It's second nature.
It's completely effortless and natural.
I'm hooked on my phone.
You're casually addicted, can't put it down.
I kicked the habit.
You successfully stopped doing it.
I swapped soda for water.
You replaced the bad option with a good one.
I'm getting used to it.
It's new, but it's slowly becoming normal. Perfect. Comment challenge.
Tell us 2 things. 1 bad habit you want to kick, and 1 good habit you want to pick up. Use the phrases from today. Like, I tend to eat too much junk food. I want to kick that habit and swap it for cooking at home. I'm getting used to it. Your turn.
We love reading your habits. No judgment. We all have our guilty pleasures.
We really do. If this helped you, subscribe. Hit that bell.
Smash that like and share this with someone who needs a habit swap.
All right, you showed up and you learned. Now go make 1 small swap today. Just 1.
1 swap. That's all. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep leveling up, 1 habit at a time.